Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your saved data from the cloud on your PlayStation 4 account. So if you are running into errors where a game recently got deleted or something like that, and you need to get the game data back onto it, so here's Rayman Legends. If I go over the applications and I press options, I have the option to go to upload and download saved data now. So let's select this. Then I want to go over to the right side of the screen where it says online storage. And I can select and download specific files, or I can go to download all. And you can see the date of the last game save. So last time I played Rayman Legends was 6/26 of 2021 at 6:33. So I can go to download all now, and I can download this from the internet. And if you get this error, it says, do you want to overwrite the saved data? This means I already have the most recent copy on my PlayStation 4 hard drive. I can still just go to yes, and I can download it from the PlayStation Cloud. And those two files should now be synced between the system storage and the online storage. But if you want to manually upload it at any point in time, you can come to the system storage section and you can go to upload all, and that will upload the most recent game save to the online storage. If you have any problem, you can just download it again in the future. Also, what we want to do is go to settings right here, and then go on down to applications, save data management, and then come to this section and go to auto upload. And just make sure this is turned on, and this will sync your uploads and your downloads, so you always have the most recent file uploaded and downloaded on your PlayStation 4. So just go to enable automatic uploads and checkmark each game and make sure they are checkmarked, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.